This is the 2-pack of Qilloway outdoor indoor seat back chair cushions, and I'm going to show you this on a chair. Just wanted to show you how it arrives first, then we'll take a look at it on my patio furniture. So when you get this, it comes in one large box, and inside of the large box is two smaller boxes, and inside of the smaller boxes are these two rolls right here, your seat cushions, and they tell you how to recover them and get them back into shape. Basically, you're just going to fluff them up. But I want to tell you a couple things about them here before I show you the outside part. And there you go. Let's take a look at this on my patio furniture. This outdoor chair is 20 inches by 24 inches, and I've got this tied up high right here. It's sinking in about an inch or so on the front right here because these are 19 inches by 19 inches. The strings themselves are 16 inches long, so plenty of room to tie them off wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and put this dark green color they're saying. It looks like an olive green to me. Pretty nice padding on here. It looks good on my patio furniture. I think it's going to do just fine. I'm a little bit taller. My head goes over the back of everything anyway. Well, there it is, the Qilloway outdoor seat cushion set.